Hello and welcome to the Sports Bulletin of HeadlinesIndia.com. Today is 21st September and I am Snigdha. Payson Bhupati beat Adrian Cruciate and Horia Taku in the Davis World Cup. The Indian duo smashed the Romanian pair by 6-4, 7-6, 6-4. The battle continued for 2.5 hours at Bucuresti Stadium. The win extended Payson Bhupati's winning streak to 21 in the Davis Cup. Though the Indian pair had a slow start on Saturday, but then they geared up soon and turned the match in their favour. World champion Pankaj Advani blazed his way to a 5-0 win against Alok Kumar on Saturday. With this, he made an entry into the finals of the Allianz Cup ASCA Invitational Snooker Tournament. Today, Advani will take on India's number 3 Manan Chandra. Last week, Advani won a double at the IBSF World Billiards Champion in Bangalore. He had breaks of 49, 44, 44, 81 and 70 in the 5 frames with Alok. More news on the other side of this break. Welcome back. The 34th National Games, which is scheduled from 1st December to 13th December in 3 Jharkhand cities, can take a bit more time. Actually, the infrastructure needs 5 more days to develop properly. Earlier, the games were already postponed for a full year. Nagarjuna and Simplex are the farms building the main stadiums, but to utter dismay, the construction cannot be completed before the 15th of December. The games are to be played in Ranchi, Jamshedpur and Dhanbad. Moving on, Sachin Tendulkar will not be seen playing in the Irani Cup. Actually, Sachin has exempted out of the Irani Cup because of his elbow injury. The cup is a tie between Ranji Trophy champions Delhi and the rest of India. Tendulkar suffered the elbow injury during the third and the final test against Sri Lanka at Colombo. He was selected to represent rest of India. The squad, which will be led by Anil Kumble in the Irani tie. The tournament is scheduled from September 24th to 28th. Well, that's all from the sports desk, but do join us at 5 p.m. for the Hindi news bulletin. Till then, take care and keep logging our website, HeadlinesIndia.com.